Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Khwaja and Brothers World. Right now I'm gonna show you what is the weather like. It's kinda rainy and windy weather, but I can see some clear clouds after this.
Avoid traveling to Gilgit-Baltistan during rainy season.
And we are gonna eat some of apricots. These are raw apricots. Guys, there is one there, but I think it's like so much food, but it's not easy. But let's have another look over here. There is one more. I got some. Let's bring these ones. Oh, my hand is not reaching. Guys, I got this apricot.
I have apricot too.
It's very sour, guys. So guys, we had an apricot party and some of our cousins came as well, and we ate all of these apricots, which were a lot, with another cousin as well. We enjoyed so much. Hope you guys enjoyed so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.